How to add credit card to Google Pay on your phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily add credit card to the Google Pay in your phone. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. The very first thing you want to do is open up the Google Pay app if you have it on your device. But if you don't have it on your region or your country, then in that case, what you can do is open up your Google Chrome and search for Google Pay. And once you've searched for it, is just scroll down until you find the Google Pay services and tap on it. And once you've done that, you just have to make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you're logged in, you will have an option to add a payment method. So just tap on add a payment method like this. And from here, you can choose multiple options. You can enter your card number, enter your expiration date, and then your CVC. And then from here, enter your card holder name. And finally, enter your billing address. And if all of the details are correct, you can just click on save and you have successfully added your credit card to your Google Pay. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.